hopefully installing Rhino went easy. If not, I hope you emailed me and we tried to troubleshoot the problem. So now that you have Rhino 3D installed, let's look at getting Rhino inside of Revit with the plugin. So the way you're going to do that is you can Google, I didn't find an easy way on the site. You can just Google Revit inside Rhino, or excuse me, Rhino inside of Revit, and it will take you to this hyperlink that I'm underlining here, which is rhino3d.com/inside/Revit/1.0. And if you look up on the left here, there's a button that you can click then to download that into your computer. You're going to get some warnings in order to allow it to be installed. And then once it's installed, the first time you fire up Revit, you're going to get a warning that an add-in has been found. You should get a warning. If not, you're not going to have it installed properly. And then you want to make sure you say to always load that so that it doesn't flag you every time you open up Revit inside of, Rhino inside of Revit. So if you've done everything correctly and went through that process and restarted Revit, you should have a plugin tab called Rhino Inside up at the top that I've highlighted here in the yellow dots. And if I was to give you an idea what it looks like in reality, I can flip up to actually Revit running here. So now I have Revit on the desktop, and I'm going to click on the tab Rhino inside of Revit. And then we'll go through starting Rhino, or you can actually just start Grasshopper directly without even needing to go having Rhino open for this. And so next we'll start to look at what we're going to do with the tool.